Hi fellow traders, this is Joe Gruender from InvestorsHELP.net right here on Facebook. Hopefully you're enjoying your Thanksgiving weekend. It's a Saturday afternoon and I've been getting some requests. People are looking at my video I just loaded about tips for newbies making money or being right. What do you want to do? Based on that video, some of our followers and subscribers have asked me, can you tell us a little more about making money using price channels? And I'm going to do that right now for many of you who really don't know how to do it. So let me get my tools set up. We are looking at Amazon on a daily chart. This is the Thinkorswim trading platform that's available through TD Ameritrade. So the tip for newbies is Amazon, how to profit using price channels. What we have here, let's say we're here today. This is of course from April to June and we're right here, okay? So we're in 25, towards the end of June, and we see this nice up channel. It's not a channel yet, but we can see our exponential moving averages moving up. We're using the 9, the 21, and also the 50 exponential moving average. You can see here, of course, green is up close, red is down close. We can see that the 3 moving average are also very much in alignment. We like to see that. The green, excuse me, the blue above the black and the black above the red. So we've had a nice uptrend. Now, how do we use this information to project forward to see how do we make some money? What we do, we go down here to our tools. Right here we have a variety of tools that are available. Let me get rid of this first. A variety of tools. What we're going to use is a channel tool. This will enable us to draw a couple lines. So as you can see here, here's a high, right, from this period, moved up to this high. So let's draw this forward. And as you can see, I'm locking in on 2 particular areas. And let me go down here. I'm going to lock in on these way down here, okay? So I'll go back to this low here. I'm going to click. Okay, so you see now there are 2 black lines. So what I'm going to do, 2 things. One, I'm going to right click on the black line. I'm going to edit the property of that tool. I want to leave it black. I want to make it fatter so it's easier for you all to see. Let's change it to 3, okay? And also what I want to do, I want to extend it to the right. Okay, so you see it's thicker. These 2 black lines now are channels, so it's easier for you to see. So now what I want to do, well, before I do that, let's take a look here. As you can see, here's where it was a low right here, okay? What did price do? Price went up to this channel because that's where I drew the line, and it came back, okay? It came back to the bottom of the channel. Then we had earnings, and of course it popped up. You never know what's going to happen at earnings. Price then came back towards the bottom, but it only got 50% halfway, so it's hard to draw circles with a mouse. But anyway, it went back up to the red line. This is what we call resistance up here. Resistance. Came back only part way, and it hit resistance again, and then it was time to come down. Okay, so this is where we are today. This is where we begin our analysis. So you're probably saying, Joe, how in the world can this help me, right? You're looking at everything in the past. I want to look at something in the future. Well, so do I. So hang on a second. What we're going to do, we're going to extend these lines into the future. So I want to show you I'm not gaming or playing different numbers on you or anything else. So I go to Edit Properties. In fact, I don't even have to go back to Edit Properties. I can just right-click, extend to the right. Okay, now, you see the way these lines extend it? Well, now let's take a look, and what does that tell us? Look at this. First, let me get rid of this stuff on the thing. Click on my tool. Okay, this is where we were. Remember when I drew this? So this is today. Okay, now let's say we might have bought in this area because we're near the support line. This is support. All this is support, and up here is resistance. And in between we have a channel. We call this a price channel. So now if you bought here, you know price based on history, right? We went back and we looked at all of this information to the left. So based on history, oh, come on, Joe. Okay, here we go. This is interesting. Okay, resistance. What do? You sell on resistance and you buy on support. What happened here? Yep. Here's a buy zone. You could have bought right here. What did it do? It went up here to the area of resistance. What do? You can sell at resistance and buy again as it moves down. Now, it did not come all the way down. Seeing that price is stronger because it did not retrace the entire channel, you could have sold there and you could have considered rebuying right here. Okay, what happens? Price breaks out this time, so this is area resistance. So what could you do? You could have waited a day or two, take your profits, figuring once again based on this channel price is going to go down. So let's see some more of what happened. Let me move to the right. Okay, turn my tool back on. Here's where it broke out. Could have sold there. What happened? It came down to support. You might have bought there. If you didn't buy there, you could have bought here. And then you could have ridden it up. Now notice here, it did not. Price did not come up all the way to this area of resistance, and it turned around and started to go down. Okay, what happened here? It broke this area of support. This is a game changer. In other words, the price action is telling us something has changed. Get out. Take your profits. You made some nice profits. This, the bouncing back and forth, and so forth. So take your profits. Now, I'm sure the question you're going to ask me is, well, is it possible to have a downsloping channel? Let me turn my tool off and move on over and show you. And yes, it is. What I did here, I drew a red downsloping channel. This is once again a price channel. And look at what happens in a downsloping channel. We go from a high, right about there, to a low. Okay, it tries to move up halfway or so, and that's all the strength it had, and once again it went down which is support. It broke slightly below the price channel, but you can, when you have this situation, you know there's going to be a bounce in price. One of the key takeaways is remember that price does not go straight down or straight up. It oscillates, goes down. We call these cycles. Goes down, comes up. Goes down, comes up. So, okay. So it's trying now to make an up move. But anyway, you could have bought here, could have sold short here, because we're in a down channel. You sell short in a down channel, or for you option players, you buy puts and you make some money here. Okay, we're near the support area, so you could buy some calls or buy some stock in anticipation of this going up. Now, it may not go all the way up to here because price is very weak. You may want to watch this blue line, this exponential line, which is the 9. It's a fast moving, and when price gets to here, you may want to short it again. Okay, so that's it. What I want you to understand is price oscillates within a channel, and you can use a channel to make money. You can buy and sell in downsloping channel, and as we can see right here, you can make money in an upsloping channel. So you can always be in the game. Just because the market is going down doesn't mean you can't make money. So I hope you enjoy this. More importantly, I hope you learn from this to keep your eyes open for price channels. You too can make money in these channels. This is Trader Joe from InvestorsHELP.net on Facebook. Have a great weekend. So long for now. Bye.